Welcome, my wonderful students. I welcome you to today's lesson, which we are going to be discussing computer software. Under this topic, we are going to be looking at the definition of computer software, the types of computer software, which are the application and system software. Now, what are computer software? Computer software are the collections of programs that provide instructions to the computer to perform certain tasks. Okay, computer software cannot be handled like the hardware or read with the physical eyes when written on what? Disk. The computer software is used to control the operations of the computer. They are stored in materials like the floppy disk, the CD-ROM, and the hard disk. Now, the computer software can be classified into two, namely the system software and the application software. Now, let's take a look at the system software. The system software is a collection of programs designed to operate, control, and extend processing capabilities of the computer. It controls the various operations performed by the computer hardware. This kind of software solves issues related to running of the computer system correctly. Examples: the operating system, translator, and utilities. Now let's discuss the operating system. The operating system are the major software required by all computers. Without them, the computer cannot understand any instruction sent to it. It is as a set of routines and procedure that governs the operation of the computer. The operating system acts as an interface between the computer user and the computer hardware. The operating system are for general household keeping activities of the computer. For example, your booting, your copying, and printing of the computer. Examples of operating system are your MS-DOS, your PC-DOS, etc. Now let's look at properties of an operating system. A good operating system is expected to have the following properties. It should be affordable, it should be simple to understand, it should be changeable over time, and it must be convenient to use. These are the properties of an operating system. Now, let's take a look at the functions of the operating system. The operating system controls all the operations of the computer system. The operating system provides communication between programs and the computer user itself. The operating system keeps record of all activities that occurs during processing in the computer. These are the functions of the operating system. Now let's talk about another example, which is the utility software. These are used for general household keeping functions of the computer, such as repairing the computer, backing up files in the computer, sorting and printing of data. Examples of utility software are your Windows Explorer, your antivirus, etc. Now let's look at translators. These are also known as programming languages. They are used to write computer programs and software. Examples are your Pascal, your Java, etc. Next, we are going to be looking at application software. These are software that tells the computer to perform a specific task. They are written to be used by a computer user. It helps the computer user to work faster, more efficiently, and more productively. Application software are mainly two types, namely packages and customized software. Now, let's take a look at packages. These are some general purpose application software developed for users to perform specific tasks based on their requirements. Examples are your word processing software. Word processor is used for typing and producing neat documents like your letters, your memos, reports, etc. Documents can be saved and retrieved at any time. Examples of word processor are your WordPerfect, your Microsoft Word, etc. Another example of software package is spreadsheet software. This is a software that allows users to do analysis and modeling by entering and manipulating data and formulas into an electronic worksheet of rows and columns. Next is your graphics software. These are used for drawing and painting, designing of documents, pictures, and images. Next is your presentation software. It is used to present ideas to other people about a product, business contract, etc. Next is your entertainment software. These are software used for entertainment purposes. Now we have come to the end of this lesson. Feel free to ask any question pertaining this topic that you don't understand. And don't forget to attempt the question on your content pages and quizzes. Bye! Till we meet again, remember, hard work pays.